Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. Now, be many be comments on my section and asking to me, please sliding be making about this video. So I asking me, okay, I will be making for you Plan 30 Sky Crash Jet. So this is game everything more easily. Now I will be explain you how to complete to be this game meter distance. So guys, something I will be show you something and you will be completely end of this watching video because more helping to you, and because this is the everything easily, not only explain you something and I give you advice and strategy, then you will be understand how to complete to be these games. So I will be already download this game and I will be explain you all about this game and how to be complete to be these games. So let's start this video. Okay, Sling Plan 30 Sky Crash Jet I will be download and I will be starting to play. Sling Plan 30 I will be already download and I will be completely guide to you how to complete to be these games. Distance to be 8,200 meters. Okay, so because many of people know to be understand, so first of all you will be always to be purchasing your engines, because this is the more important for you. So guys, engine you will be more purchasing now, because this is the, if you have more be upgrading your engine, so they good working and they going more out of sides. You checking now just to be using your hands and easily to complete to be your game meter depth. You checking on my video section on the out, and just you will be purchasing some of these coins. Oh, thank you. So guys, you checking and be easily to complete to be this be more than be 2210 ml meters I will be reach now, because I will be purchasing more engines be. Trust me, Captain Smooth. Because depend on your game and how much you will be purchasing on these games meter the LIB engines, because if you more purchasing engines, so you will be complete to be easily this game, because depend on this game. Okay, so this is the really be lies and tricks, because I will be show you all about this game, and before you will be watching X5 add the video, then you will be more. So I will be only watching one of the ads, so then you will be checking how much I will be. So I'm be against to be clicking on these sections. Because just to be using your skipping your fingers be upping not to be down. If you down finger using so then you will be, and this mean be this break now, then break and he be stopping on any one of this. Okay, so again I will be try now. Okay, they not to be good working, my finger not to be work well, and they shut down and crash now on this the any place. Okay. Oh, so sad. But it's okay. You're checking out, and before you will be collecting your coins and watching one of the ads, and step by step you will be completing your reach the 8,000 death. So guys, this game, and I hope you will be understand now what I'm asking to you. So always to be supporting me, because I will be helping to you lots of. Okay. Okay, no problem. Just this type this can. I hope you will be understand. Thank you so much for you watching my video.